Game.
Wala pa kayo. Mag-introduction pa mo. Wala ta mag-introduction. Awas mo.
Introduction.
Mura bitaw mag-planning. Then kami mag-introduction. Magpaano ba na? This is the game, everybody. Kamu, magplano mo sa inyong limuha.
Oh, plano sa mo sa imong team.
O, din, magpuan, me.
So, today, we are hosting the Gabriel's Palarong Pang Gabriel. So, we have here our athletes preparing for this game. And they are very excited for this match because it is between St. Clark's Zyril Academy
can we
and
call
St.
the-
Gomez Academy.
Come here, Zayden.
Can
We
we call
introduce you.
the leader of the St. Zayden's Academy? So, what do you think today for today's game?
I will think for today's game that it will be good and smooth and wonderful game.
What is your preparation for this game?
My preparation for this game
Walay atro sa saan?
is to, even though that we lost, at least we tried our best. Ay,
Wala, pag mo kadula.
moro na, thank you.
Okay, let's welcome here the St. Clark's Academy leader. What are your preparation for this game?
Walang St. Clark Academy. Magkadaog may karong jawan. Champion.
So you're aiming to win this game against
Iska.
St. Zayden's Academy.
Awan.
Of course, why not?
Pero nga,
kami,
Iska.
okay, shut up. So we have here, let's go, let's
Time lapse, time lapse, time lapse.